welcome them. Okay, you have your 3 minutes. You can take it away.
Okay, thank you very much. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Agnieszka Jankowska, and I'm going to introduce you to Sara AI. So, what is Sara? Sara is an interactive voice assistant based on proprietary image recognition algorithm with artificial intelligence and face tracking. As we all know, currently many households and businesses are using voice assistants, especially Amazon's Alexa or Google Home. And these assistants have proven to be of valuable help in our everyday life. However, the user experience is not always carefree and problem-free. What happens sometimes is that to use these assistants, we have to wake them. We have to call them by the name. So it's every time we have to give a comment, Alexa or Google Home. Okay, Google, please listen to my comment, and so on. What's more, many users are complaining that Alexa or Google, they find the lack of understanding of some basic concepts within the assistants, or they're misinterpreting their comments. So here we come with a solution, with a breakthrough solution based on AI and on enhancing the existing voice assistant technology with camera, face tracking, image recognition, and basic intelligence. So here we are with Sara AI, and here she is. So what Sara can do? Sara doesn't need your command, doesn't need to be awakened when you need to give a comment. She tracks your gaze. She just catches your gaze and she listens. So anytime you need anything from her, it's enough that you say, okay, remember about this, or please give me the information about that, and so on. What's more, she will recognize your face. So she will associate your comments with you, and also with your household members. So for example, if the son is leaving to school and he's going to say that I'm going to be late for dinner, Sara will remember that the son left this message, and she will give this message, she will distribute this message to the father when he comes back from home. So she recognizes your face. She has her memory storage as well. So she remembers the information we would like to give her, and also she has access to all the features that Alexa or Google Home have. So here we are omitting this troublesome situations like waking the assistant. Why now? Because first of all, we see the need within the market of for voice assistants, for intelligence assistants in our household and our businesses, because Sara can be a product which is a B2C product for customers, but also can help you out in your business situations. Of course, now we also have the technology that allows us to create Sara, including the whole family of Sara AI products like Sara Vision, which contributed enormously to Sara AI, in a matter of creating image recognition, or Sara AI itself, which is the artificial intelligence developed by the company that's going to allow Sara AI to be enhanced with some basic intelligence that would make the customer experience better. So what's the value proposition for the customer who acquires Sara? So Sara will be able to eye-walk the user, so there will be no voice command needed to ask Sara for something. She will recognize the user's face, store personal and historical information, activate without being prompted, for example, by the word Alexa. She'll just catch your gaze and she will take the command, and remember and transfer information to the users, as I mentioned before. This is the situation that I described within the family ambient.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but just letting you know, we have 2 minutes and 20 seconds till the end of the Q&A session, because you You know, went a bit over the limit.
Okay,
so
okay.
would you like to continue with the presentation or go to the Q&A?
Actually, I'm actually ready for the Q&A. But sorry, I was pretty sure that you would just interrupt me after the 3 minutes are done. So please, I'm waiting for the questions.
Okay, perfect. So judges, you can start. Anyone willing? Yeah.
Yeah, Sarah, can you elaborate a bit more on your competition?
Well, actually, the competition
and your go-to market.
Okay.
Like 2 parts of the question.
Mostly, people think that our competition is Alexa and Google Home, as these are the leading assistants. However, we don't perceive them as well. We construct our solution based on features of Alexa or Google Home. So we are just, you know, our innovation is the kind of innovation that builds something on top of something else. So we're just replying to customers' needs and some user experience that we researched, and we are responding to it by adding artificial intelligence and camera to already existent solutions. About the market size, about how we see it, the market of voice assistants in general is growing, especially like now after the pandemics, when we see almost 50% growth one year by another. So there is constant, of course, that this is going to slow down after the pandemics, as we know that the economical situation is quite volatile at this moment. But we are foreseeing constant growth in the market within the next few years, and we would like to respond to the customers' needs with the growing market.
Agnieszka, I have a question. So what's the team behind this project?
The team behind this project. So let me just come back to the presentation because I have them here. So there is Artur Majczak, who is the brain behind the IT sector of the project, and he is actually the father of Sara AI as it is, and the brain behind it. Then we have Jarosław Maciej Matuszewski, who is the business leader here, who is organizational manager of this entity, and Paweł Morkisz, who is also helping us in intelligent system development. And of course, lately, my humble person joined the team as I am the PR specialist in Sara AI.
Okay, perfect. Thanks a lot. We reached the limit of our
much.
4 minutes pitch.